Hey everyone, and welcome to the Efficient Farmer webcast episode number 2. I'm Julian, and today we are going to take a look at the seeder. We have been growing microgreens for many years, and the sort of key critical element to a successful microgreen operation is consistency of seeding density and time efficiency. This tool is going to help you accomplish those two goals. We did a little side-by-side comparison that I'd like to show you of hand planting 9 trays versus seeding with the seeder. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so as you can tell, you are going to save time with our seeder, and you're also going to get a much more consistent product at the end. It's really going to help you to grow much better. So let's take a look at what you're going to get when you order a seeder and how to put it together and some of the features. So the body of the seeder is made of transparent acrylic. It is incredibly tough and will last for years, won't be affected by heat or moisture or dirt, soil. So the inside or the internal components and the handle we 3D print here at our facility, and they are made from PLA plastic, which is also really tough and really long wearing. So the prototype that we built, the final prototype, has been running for just under 2 years, and nothing has gone wrong. Nothing has failed at all. So we feel like this is definitely going to produce the results that we think it should, and it's going to just keep working every single day. Okay, so the seeder will come with a seeding cylinder, the already assembled body, and it'll come with a crank handle, a washer, a cotter pin, and an Allen key to make adjustments. So basically what you're going to want to do is locate the flat part of the D-shaped hole in the seeding cylinder, turn your seeder on its side. Just so you know, the seeder can be used either left-handed or right-handed. It doesn't matter. You just put the handle in through the other side. So just put your seeding cylinder in. Note where the flat part is. That's where you're going to fit it into the flat part of the axle. Slide the handle through. It'll go through to the other side. And then what you're going to want to do is put on your washer. Not quite all the way through. There we go. And then put on your cotter pin. Just like that. There it is. Ready to go. What you'll note is that there's supposed to be a little bit of resistance against the seeding cylinder, between the brush and the seeding cylinder. There should just be a little bit of resistance. But what you don't want is, you don't want them to be touching on one end and not on the other. You want the brush to be flush against the seeding cylinder all the way across. So you just push down on the support just a little bit to create the tension. Tighten up the far end bolt, then tighten up the one closest to you, and then tighten up the center one. And that's going to make it nice and even. So let's take a look at that. Perfect. So that's got enough resistance that the seed can't slip out, and it's just the right amount to make sure that the machine operates the way it's supposed to. There you go. That is the seeder. Thanks for watching. We're hoping that you'll subscribe to our channel and check out efficientfarmer.com for all of our products.